guys, this is Luja. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you have landed here for the very first time. So today we'll be talking about hair. Yes, after a very long time, I'm back with my hair care and hair video. Oh my god. These days, I'm stressing so much. I think who is not stressing these days? It's everywhere. Seriously. And even though I'm sitting in my house and I do not have much of sunlight, pollution touching my hair, it's just getting worse and worse. Also, the humidity around me is not helping me, frankly. Oh my goodness. My hair are so frizzy, so frizzy. If I just take a shower and I come out and I just go out somewhere, my hair is going to be like here. Because I have a lot of volume and it has a lot of frizz. Frizz has been the most problematic thing for my hair, and I've been so conscious about it. Like I haven't kept down my hair much unless I'm straightening my hair. I haven't really kept it down. I would always tie in a bun, put a half pony or do something like that just to hide the frizz. It has really affected me and my hair because my roots are usually really oily. It's not that everything is dry and brittle, it's not. My roots are really oily. It's like combination, just like my skin. Yeah. So my roots are really oily and I just feel like, it's not possible. In just a day, I feel like I need to wash my hair. This is not doing it. But my ends are extremely dry. And they're brittle, they have split ends and I don't know. Yeah, I do have a little dandruff. I wouldn't say I have a lot of dandruff, but I do have a little dandruff, which sometimes stays because it's practically just gets very oily and then dirt sticks on it, and you know what. But something came along which resulted in this. I am in love. Do you want me to come close and make you see the shine, or you want to get blinded just by where you are? And the solution is Freewill. I never knew that there can be a product which can really solve my hair problems because it's just unique at some point. But thank you. And let's talk about the fact that it's pink. So I basically got introduced to Freewill while I was just scrolling to my Instagram, and I just saw a post about it. I'm like, this looks interesting. And as I go to the website, I get to know it's actually a customized product. It's customized for you. And I was like, for me? Hello? Thank you. And they have this bunch of questions that they ask you about your lifestyle, about what are your hair problems. I said before, what are your hair goals? So once you open it, that's what you get. Let's take a look at your hair. So I usually have wavy hair, so I like that. My hair is usually oily from the roots but dry from the end, so that's what I picked. Length of my hair is medium. Thickness, it's really thick. Thicker than thread for sure. Volume of my hair, I think it has quite good volume, so voluminous. Most of the time my scalp is actually a bit itchy but not that itchy, so yeah. Dandruff, yeah, I do get a little bit. While combing I lose very few strands, yeah. Colored, no. Chemically treated, not really, but I do straightening, yes. And yeah, appliances, only straightener that I use. I style my hair basically with anything. It's just the way it is. Most of the time just straightening, that's it. Yeah, most of the time I spend my days in India and Gujarat and Ahmedabad and in my house. Water hardness, I'm not really sure, but I think it's hard water. Sunlight, as I said, maybe an hour, but not really every day. Just once in a week, I guess. Hair goals, oh my goodness. I really want all of them, frankly. But I think anti-frizz, fixing split ends, I think those things are my main thing right now, but I do want all of them, frankly. Yeah, so I'll just go with fix split ends and anti-frizz. Oh my goodness. And what's your favorite color? This is the best thing for sure. Peach with apricot, pink with strawberry, obviously pink with strawberry. I don't even have to think that you want to get print on the bottle. I just ruined it, but yeah. And then they give you the result. That is a product that is made just for you with the ingredients made right for your hair and for the problems and for the environment that you mentioned in that bunch of questions. Hello. I'm sorry, but I have not come across something like this before, so for me it was mind-blowing. Oh my god, I have actually screen recorded when I was doing that because I was like, this is crazy, and I really want you guys to see the process that it takes you to before you get your actual products. Oh my god, okay, so they do the hair analysis and then they give me a result and the product which has the formula and the ingredients which is made just for me and for my hair. About me and my hair. Hi, hello. Let's start here. Your hair is beautiful. Thank you. Circumference of your hair. Each hair texture type has its own traits and influence, and a healthy scalp is equal to a healthy head of the hair. Well, yeah, some itchiness, so it's not really that healthy. Dandruff isn't about your skin, it's all about the skin on your scalp. Exactly. It's normal to lose some hair. Okay, thank God. I thought I was gonna bald soon. Your hair and scalp health chart. Oh my goodness, this is super amazing. The ingredients for you, they are the custom made formula ingredients. Oh my god, wow, I feel special and fancy. Omega-7 fatty acid antioxidants, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acid, keratin, proteolytic enzymes, antiviral, antibacterial properties. Oh my goodness, wow, aloe vera extract, wheat protein, and now you can buy your own personalized kit. That easy. So you get a kit which includes a shampoo, a conditioner, and a serum, because you know, if I'm gonna get something in pink, I'm gonna buy it. I'm that type of girl. Also, they smell amazing. I can't stop smelling them and my hair after I use it. Seriously. And I use it a lot. You can see the shampoo is of 250 ml. Yes, and it smells really amazing. It's pink. What more can I ask for? It does not have sulfate, it's paraben free, and you don't have to use it much. The lather is really smooth, and even after just the shampoo, your hair feels so soft. And well, you can see the result after 3 weeks. I mean, it is not bad at all. I would genuinely suggest you to get your own, and you can actually, and with 10% discount with my code, which is going to be written down in the description box. It might change your life and your hair forever. You can see I do not have frizz more. I mean, that's the #1 problem which I had, and my goal is literally achieved in 3 weeks. Yes. Oh my goodness, you need to get yours. I mean, I have said this 1,000 times, but I'm gonna say it again and put emphasis on it because you can see it's in your face. I haven't even used anything. I don't need to use straightener anymore. I love it. I love the smell. They feel so soft, and the shine, it's a plus. It's a plus. And I hope it is helpful for you, and hopefully more coming soon. And I will see you guys in my next video next time. Bye.